Your future wife is coming. Oh.
Yeah, future wife. I don't think so. We have nothing in common. And besides, hindi naman natuloy yung arranged marriage, di ba, Ma?
Jules, we talked about this before. We have to be very careful when choosing who you will marry. We have to preserve the family's culture, traditions, and beliefs. And besides, you're not dating anyone yet.
Ma, di ba si Trish tinakol ng angkong niya for hanging out with the wrong crowd in LA? She even got arrested for doing shady stuff in the club. Do you really want a person like that to be part of our family, Mom?
Matagal na yon. I'm sure nagbago na siya. Nagmature. And besides, she belongs to the prestigious Lee clan. That should be enough credentials for you to be a good fit.
What if my girlfriend na pala ako?
You have a prospect? What? Is she Chinoy or pure Chinese?
Well, if you bring me a very decent Chinese Filipina, I might reconsider.
Oh, ayan. Dito na tayo.
Saan tayo kakain dito, honey?
Dito.
Ha?
Dito tayo kakain. Halika dito.
Sigurado ka ba?
Oo, dito tayo. Alam mo, yung lugar na to, hindi lang masarap, mura pa.
Eh, hindi naman sa nag-iinarte, pero it's just that hindi pa ako nakakain ng isaw sa ganitong lugar.
Eh di, this is going to be your best day ever. Kasi matitikman mo na. Okay?
Fine.
Halika, mag-order. Upo ka dyan.
Ah,
Kuya, po-order naman po. Bale, 10 isaw, 4 na kwek-kwek, tapos 5 kikiam. Okay.
what? Sobrang dami naman nun. For sharing?
Hindi. Yung in-order ko para sa akin lang yun. Mag-order ka ng para sa'yo.
Kaya mo yun lahat in one sitting?
Oo naman. Ito ha, kuya. Para naman sa kanya, same order, pero tig-2 lang po.
Pagpulot ko lang itong kwek-kwek. Gusto nyo, unahin nyo na ito. Baka gutom na ang kadate mo.
Si kuya talaga. Okay, sige. Salamat po.
Successor ng Lim Foods Corporation si Jules?
Grabe ka pala, Jules. Big time ka pala. Eh, karapat-dapat ba ako maging kaibigan mo, ha? Langit ka, lupa ako. Kapag nalaman ng mga pamilya mo na may kaibigan kang isang promo girl, baka magalit sila sa'yo.
Ang dami mo naman sinabi. Don't worry, Han. Hindi sila matapobre. Oh, and honey, kahit sinong lalaki o babae should be so proud to have someone like you to call us their friend. Or a special someone.